Hey guys, Chris Broadhead here again with another video on my 2000 Toyota Tundra. Next week, so today is Friday, January 10th, so next Thursday, I'm going to be replacing my coilover struts and shocks with a pair of Fox 2.0 coilover struts and shocks, as well as replacing my control arms, upper and lower, and the ball joints. Or the upper ball joints on the control arms. See, I don't really do YouTube videos as much, so I don't know how to, like, put together two videos on, because I know I want to show you guys, like, the ride quality of what it is now versus when I install the shocks and struts and compare it to how it was. But right now, like, I can tell it's kind of loose. Like, I hit a speed bump and, like, I can tell the front, like, kind of goes, like, it kind of still goes up and down with the weight. As far as, like, the back, it'll kind of go, and then it kind of flatten out. As far as the front, it'll go, it's kind of soft, I guess you can call it. But yeah, I mean, I'm on the way to the gym right now. I'll try and hit some bumps on purpose to kind of get, like, a personal idea of what it feels like now, compare it to next week. But yeah, that's just what's going on with me. The rear, the shocks in the back, they don't look too old. I mean, the shaft looks pretty well, but the Fox ones look pretty damn good. I'm gonna show you those. So this is all I'm putting on it. Struts, upper control arms, lower control arms, ball joints, and these are the shocks. So I don't know how to... See, these things weigh like 30 pounds. They look pretty damn good though. I can get it open. Damn it. Oh, that's the one that wasn't open. Okay, let me get this one. I was fixing my dryer and I cut my thumb, so my grip isn't that well. These things look hella good. Look at this. Shit. There it is, 2.0 reservoir. Now, as far as the ride height, I know this is threaded. So I guess, yeah, the less spring compression, the softer the ride, and the more compression, the rougher the ride. It looks like it's almost in the middle. I'm thinking that's where I want it, or, like, as far as comfortability and off-road performance, on and off the road. Like, the middle is perfect for anybody, but see, I'm gonna get it done at a shop next week, like where I've trusted them with the lift kit that they put on 7 years ago, and it's still doing well. So I trust them with all my truck accessories. If you guys live in Greenville like I do, go to the Mixed Truck Accessories for all your truck parts. They're very well maintenance and good guys. But that's just my little video. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye bye.